Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Project 2 Applied Linguistics by Rizky Prawo. Mr. Thompson is a linguist studying the use of language in news responding. He is particularly interested in how language can convey bias, shape public opinion, and influence the perception of new events. Mr. Thompson analyzes from various news outlets covering the same event to identify patterns that might indicate bias. He also considers the impact of the choice of the audience, understanding, and interpretation of news precision. What linguistic features so Mr. Thompson focus on to identify bias in news reporting? Discuss at least three features and explain how they can contribute to bias reporting. Linguistic theories that can be used are semantics, pragmatics, sociolinguistics, ecolinguistics, discourse analysis, critical discourse analysis, psycholinguistics, stylistic, and many more. The transdisciplinary approach of applied linguistics, which can be explored, are applied linguistics and journalism, applied linguistics and public relations, applied linguistics and content creator. Lexical choice, word choice and connotation, linguistic theories, semantics, stylistic, critical discernistic analysis or CDA, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistics, journalism, explanation, journalists might choose emotionally charged or eponymous words to influence readers' perception. For example, freedom fighter versus terrorism, less corruption versus proven corruption. This choice affects the perceived legitimacy or morality of this choice affects individuals or action by analyzing the connotative meaning of key terms across different news sources. Mr. Thompson can take subtitle or offer ideological leanings. 2. Framing and thematic structuring. Linguistic theory first. Discover, analysis, pragmatic, sociolinguistic, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistic, public relation, explanation. Framing involves how information is organized, highlight certain aspects of an even while downplaying others. Consider emphasizing the economic cause of protest versus emphasizing the protester demands, placing blame on individuals versus systematic issue. Pragmatics help analysis how implied meaning or perception shape interpretation. Despite the government claim sugarcoat this influence, the audience tend toward the subject matter. 3. Precision, patterns, and attribution. Linguistic theories, critical discourse, a psycholinguistic, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistic, content creator. Explanation. New outlets can create biased rules, selective pointing, highlighting variable, unvariable statement, skeptical attribution, decline. He states voice management, active versus passive voice. This can subtly delegitimize or validate a speaker auditory and credibility, analyzing how direct and indirect speech Issues people whose voices are amplified and whose are marginalized. Problem 2. Imagine you are a language planner working for the government of country with this diverse linguistic landscape. The country has several indigenous languages spoken by different ethnic groups as dominant national language used for official purpose. They develop a language policy that promotes linguistic diversity while effective communication and national unity. Question 1. How can the government promote the use of perception of indigenous language through education? Linguistic theories that can be used are morphology, syntax, dialectology, conversation analysis, ethnolinguistic, semantic, pragmatic, sociolinguistic, ecolinguistic, discursive analysis, critical discursive analysis, psycholinguistic, stylistic, and many more. The transdisciplinary approach of applied linguistics, which can be explored, are applied linguistics and public policy, applied linguistics and civil, applied linguistics and content creator, applied linguistics and sustainable specialists. 1. Implement multilingual education programs. Linguistic theories, sociolinguistics, sociolinguistics, syntax, morphology, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistics, and civil linguistics, and public policy. Explanation. Introducing mother tongue-based multilingual (MTB) or MELE allow children to begin their early education in their indigenous language, gradually transitioning to the national language and possibly in global language or English. Sociolinguistics explain how language affect identify status and access to rescue technique in a children's first language boosts cognitive development and retention. Syntax and morphology help develop appropriate cultural rooted teaching material and grammar guides. Psycholinguistics support the idea that early instruction in the first language enhances comprehension and learning. 2. Develop culturally relevant educational content. Linguistic theories. Ethnolinguistic, semantic, pragmatic, stylistic, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistic, and content creator explanation. Education should respect and reflect the cultural and communicative norms of each language community. Ethnolinguistic examine how language express cultural identity and value. Semantic and pragmatic guide how meaning are cultural situations, coding translation that disrupt traditional knowledge. Stylistic help design storybook, song, and text that resonate with learners' aesthetic and narrative tradition. Example is police action. Collaborate with local address storytellers and linguistics to create culturally grounded textbooks, digital stories, and audio content. The next slide. 3. Institutional support and policy integration. Linguistic theories, critical discursive analysis, dialectology, transdisciplinary lens, applied linguistics and public relations, applied linguistics and sustainability specialists. Explanation is the long-term survival of indigenous language, embedding them into public policy and institutional framework. Critical discursive analysis (CDA) examines how power dynamics shape language policy, ensuring policies do not marginalize minority language. Discussion analysis provides insight into how indigenous languages are preserved and discussion in public. Educational domains, dialectology help map the linguistic diversity to inform target educational policy. The, Thank you for Mr. Thompson, and the next slide is